Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel about me and my life with two Huskies. So they're about 12 to 13 weeks now, and I guess it's time we introduce the first one. Come here, Sumsum. Come on. Come here, bud. Alright, so this is Sumsum, and she is black and white and acts like a vacuum. She likes to eat everything and anything that's on the floor. And she has two different colored eyes. One is blue and one is brown. And between her and her sister, she is the naughty one. Yep, she wants to get out and explore everything, eat everything, dig everything in the yard, and Sumsum, say hello. Nope, yeah, not happening. Now that I have her in a somewhat calm situation, Sumsum, ooh, I spoke too soon. So, for anyone who is thinking of getting a Siberian Husky, when people tell you they're vocal, they're vocal. Ridiculously loud. Very talkative. They talk back a lot. They're super stubborn. It's all true. But they're also super loving, super cuddly when they want to be.